of a couple who fail to ask each other a very salient question before getting married, and today there is a lot of regret. Hello and welcome to Relationship Series with Dr. E.T. How have you been? I trust you have been doing very well. During my housemanship, when I worked in the children emergency, one of those nights, I was really tired and sleeping. About 2 a.m. I had a knock on my door by a nurse. Doctor, there's a patient in the emergency room. Going out, I saw it was a 6-month-old child who had swollen hands and swollen feet, and the child had a fever and was crying excessively. While taking the history, that question and answer doctors do, from the parents, we asked the parents, so sir, ma, what is your genotype? Guess what? They couldn't tell us. Really sad. We had the suspicion that this child's genotype was SS based on the symptoms he presented with. And guess what? 3 days later, when the results came out, it actually confirmed our suspicion. The child was SS. And you know what? When the parents actually checked, they realized they were both AS. There are many marriages that are suffering because they refuse to ask each other one simple question: what is your genotype? So please, dear single, before you get married, find out your partner's genotype. It's not enough to just say, what is your genotype? And then maybe the one that he was told 10 years ago, oh, I'm AA. I'm not saying it's not going to be right. You just, take it that way. It's good to always confirm. Before you get married, especially in many churches, the genotype test is done again. And to avoid a situation where a partner lies to another, it's also important that to go to the lab together and do the genotype test together. Learn to ask the question, what is your genotype? And when you realize that your genotypes are not compatible, when I say compatible, I mean that if you are AS and your partner is AS, your genotypes are not compatible, and it is advisable not to continue. If you are AS and your partner is SS, it's a no-no as well. If you are AA and your partner is AS, you can continue. At least 1 or 2 of your children could actually be AS, and that's just okay. If you're AA and your partner is AA, that's a good one, very okay. So it is very important that when you realize that your genotypes are not compatible, please don't say, oh, love, we feel so much in love. Genotype means nothing to us. It means everything to you, because you're going to give birth to children that will end up suffering. I see a lot of sickle cell patients come into the hospital virtually every month with a crisis. You're going to spend hospital bills. You're going to be staying in the hospital almost every month. Do not bring children to the world to suffer for what they know nothing of. Raising sicklers is a hell of trouble. There's a lot involved. Recurrent hospital visits, a lot of crises and the likes. You possibly should find out from people who have sicklers as children. Love is not enough when it comes to the matter of genotype compatibility, and therefore do not get married to someone whose genotype is not compatible with yours. So before you say I do, one question you need to ask your partner is, what is your genotype? Did you learn anything today? If you did, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until I come your way again next time, do have a beautiful time. Bye.